Hey, you're broke and broke, but when it comes to love for our cars, we are absolutely loaded. These 20 cheap mods not only look great and attract sexy men, it also makes you look like you spent thousands. You didn't. Here's how. You are watching Turbo Itchy. Let's go. Let's start with welcome lights, also called puddle lights. These come standard on fancy vehicles, but you can install it yourself for around $20. There are some wild things you can do here.
Pikachu!
Please be sensible. If you drive a Civic, don't shine a BMW M light on the floor. Try too hard and it'll be rice, not nice. Yes, rice. Heard of it? Next affordable mod to spice up your ride, badging or debadging. There are a lot of neat things you can do with badges. Change the colors, plastic dip, carbon fiber, and going retro. Removing them also helps make the car look cleaner. I removed the Subaru and BRZ badges off mine, and I think it looks a lot better. Next, swapping badges? Cool. Just don't cosplay your 230i as an M2. That's like calling yourself Thor because you own a hammer. You're not missing ABS, you are missing abs. Up badging is a big no-no. Even your dog would judge you. Birds would carpet bomb your car. You'll be on the internet forever. Up next, you know having a big antenna isn't always attractive? Make it shorter, or better yet, trade it with a shark fin. Small but stiff. Nice. Next, brick calipers. Can't afford Brembos? No problemo. Grab some high temperature caliper paint, about $60 for a paint kit, and give those brakes a fresh pop of color. Just a heads up, if you do any serious driving, they will change color over time. There are brick covers, but I think that's 1 foot into the rice paddy. Let me know what you think of these in the comments. Horns. Let's talk horns. Placement depends on the car, but if yours sit behind the grille, colored horns like red ones on an STI adds an unexpected touch. Cheap mod, but surprisingly spicy. Next, window tint is a classic mod. But did you know there are several types of tint? Dyed, carbon, metallic, ceramic. Each one will have different colors, heat rejection properties, UV protection, and durability. Talk to your tint shop to see which one meets your needs. How dark you can tint your windows depends on your location. Most places are more strict about the front windows than the back ones. I got pulled over before for a tint that was barely visible. Want to shine bright like a diamond? Swap in LEDs, headlight tints, angel eyes, or even Sharingan taillights if you want to destroy your clan. Sequential turn signals also give plus 100 aura, and don't forget the license plate lights too. But watch out, not all colors are street legal, so always check your local laws first. Speaking of lights, Starlight headliners. Rolls-Royce charges $12,000 for the Vibe. Amazon, $150. It's Rolls-Royce vibes with a ramen budget. It's an absolute pain to install, but you might just impress your Tinder date enough to get comfy in the backseat. Next up, vinyl wraps. A full wrap costs thousands. And let's be real, the only wrap you're affording right now is the burrito. But partial wraps? Totally doable. A gloss black roof instantly makes your car look more premium. And it's one of the easiest spots to DIY. Next, want a budget mod that looks premium and not tacky? Real carbon fiber mirror caps. Not fake carbon fiber stickers, the real deal. You can find these off Amazon for about $100 or $2. Cheap mod? Big upgrade. If you are feeling extra, you can replace the whole side mirror assembly. Want a cleaner front end? Relocate your license plate to the tow hook spot. It costs just $30. If your bumper already has holes, sorry, the damage is done. You can also add a tow hook or tow strap if you want that race car vibe. Practical too, when you crash your car because you couldn't afford new tires. Here's a cheap mod I did on both my BRZ and S2000. Swap out those ugly orange side markers for clear ones. Super easy, super clean. Just don't forget the amber bulb, or you might catch a fine. What's next? Rain guards, window visors, wind deflectors. It has many names, and all of them don't get enough love. They clean up your side profile and let you keep the window open in the rain. form and function. Time for the next one. Grills are the car's smile. Give yours a facelift. Black mesh, honeycomb, or something aggressive. That is, if your car has a grill. Don't use a grill sticker. What is wrong with you people? Want rally vibes without actually rallying? Mud flaps adds character and keeps your paint safer too. Next, can't afford wheels yet? Colored lug nuts give your setup a pop of personality. Gloss red or neochrome. Open end or closed end. Your choice. If you are thinking of getting replica wheels to save money, think again. Don't try convincing yourself that no one will notice it's fake. Buying fake wheels has the same energy as buying bootleg products. Next, I've seen these rim protector strips and personally, I'm not a fan. But hey, you do you. Aero parts are very in price, but you can find lips, rear splats, side skirts, vortex generators, and spoilers without breaking the bank. You really get what you pay for in terms of quality and fitment, so don't go too cheap. If the panel gap is wider than a Tesla's, you effed up. Read the reviews before you buy. Bad fitment isn't just annoying, it's a crime against car kind. Inside the car, swap your shift knob for a weighted one. More premium to use and more stylish to look at.
Wow.
If you drive an automatic, don't replace it with a manual shift knob. You will never get over the embarrassment. If your car was a transformer, it would drive itself off a bridge. Got a flappy paddle gearbox? Extension kits make them easier to reach and way cooler to use. Finally, the best affordable thing you can do to your car to make it look nice is to simply wash your car. No joke. And please, hand wash. Even touchless car wash uses harsh chemicals that can damage your paint. If you are new to washing cars and think a garden hose and dish soap will cut it, stop right there, you newbie. Do yourself a favor and look up the 2-bucket method. It's a game changer. Car detailing is one of those hobbies where the deeper you go, the more obsessed you get. I recommend using Chemical Guys products. No, they didn't sponsor me because you didn't hit subscribe. Help me out. They honestly just make good soap. Want to make your life easier? Get your car ceramic coated. I've done it on a few of mine and it seriously helps keep them cleaner. It repels rain, makes washing a breeze, and gives that glossy finish we all want. Another solid option is PPF, Paint Protection Film. It's like a screen protector for your car's paint. Full coverage can be pricey, but you can always just do a partial PPF with high impact areas like the front bumper, hood, and side mirrors. If your headlights are turning yellow, get a headlight restoration kit. It'll make your car look years newer. Just because you're making minimum wage doesn't mean you can't have a stylish ride. These cheap mods can add personality and even get respectful nods from your fellow car nerds. Comment below and share what's your favorite affordable mod. Subscribe or a fat duck will crap on your car. You've been warned.